Today I'll be showing you how I organize my linen closet and hopefully give you some ideas that you can use in your space. I like to use white towels as they are easy to clean and you don't need to worry about fading. They also give my closet a cohesive look. For that spa feel, I like to roll my hand towels and washcloths. Not only does it save space, but also makes the closet more interesting. I really like these baskets from Ikea. They're great for storing little things like washcloths. The wooden handle adds a bit of texture and warmth. I store my extra kitchen towels in the linen closet as it is in close proximity to my kitchen. Choose a folding style that you really like as it will help make putting things away less of a chore and can even be relaxing. These chalkboard labels come with a chalk pen allowing you to easily erase with a damp cloth. The larger labels are from Dollar Tree. For my bed sheets, I purchased these bins from Ikea. I prefer to keep my flat sheets, fitted sheets, and pillowcases separate from each other. For my queen sheets, I don't have too many as it's a guest bedroom, so I placed everything together. These clear acrylic shelf dividers prevent neighboring items from falling over and just keeps everything in place. They are also very easy to install. My closet didn't have any shelves in the bottom half, so instead of installing shelving, I got this sturdy shoe rack from Ikea. It fits perfectly in my closet and it's great for storing toilet paper and other things. Speaking of toilet paper, I recently switched to Caboo. It's environmentally friendly and doesn't contain elemental chlorine and other harmful chemicals that can irritate the skin. And like their toilet paper, their paper towels are also made from bamboo and sugarcane. And if you want to minimize paper towel usage, try Swedish Cloths. They act as a rag, paper towel, and kitchen sponge in one. They are fast drying and 100% biodegradable, made from wood pulp and cotton. Resembling cardboard when dry, they turn soft and absorbent when damp. Did you know that one Swedish cloth can last up to a year? They are also machine washable, just avoid throwing them in the dryer. To sanitize, I like to boil them in water for a couple minutes. Sometimes I add baking soda to lift any stains. I then rinse them in cold water and allow them to air dry. I got 2 smaller bins from Ikea for the bottom shelves. They fit nicely and the lid keeps the dust out. I really like these natural bamboo floor wipes. They seem to work as good as the popular brands without the environmental impact. This reusable lint roller has a self-cleaning mechanism, making removing lint a breeze. If you're someone with pets, I highly recommend this product. To naturally scent my closet, I save my de-seeded vanilla pods, pop them in a mesh bag, and place it in my closet. Cinnamon powder also works great. It makes my closet smell beautiful without affecting my health. If you prefer a scent-free option, baking soda is a great alternative. Seal the jars with cheesecloth to allow the scent to disperse and to prevent a big cleanup if the jar tips over. If you love stronger scents, try placing a natural soap bar in your closet. These bars from Penny Lane Organics are 100% natural, scented with pure essential oils. I really liked how this closet turned out. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.